1, 2, 3, go. Cut.
Measure twice, cut once. Correct work is always more efficient than rework. From precision measurements to the colors of pine stripes, to the spelling of a customer's name, and the grammar in the email. Details matter. Double check your work and get the details right.
Hello, Chapel Hill News. Why is it important to double check your work? To get the best answer, to make sure to get it right.
Okay.
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do if you mess up? You go back to see where you messed up. Okay. What happens when you think something is wrong? What do you do? You investigate and ask the teacher. I'm sorry that I hit the microphone. Okay, thank you for your answers. Bye-bye, Chapel Hill.